Hi, my name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate investor, real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage. Welcome to our videos on pros and cons of investing in Canadian real estate. Whether you are a first-time buyer or an experienced investor, it is important to know the advantages and disadvantages of investing in Canadian real estate. And as we all know, Canadian real estate market has been on fire in the recent years, with major cities like Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal seeing some significant growth. And before we jump right in, it's really important to consider and understand the importance of pros and cons of investing in Canadian real estate. Let's start with the pros. First and foremost, investing in Canadian real estate can be a great way for you to build long-term wealth, maybe decrease that retirement age, that gap, potentially get you out of the rat race, or even build generational wealth. We know that real estate is a great way to do that, and real estate is a tangible asset that tends to appreciate over time, meaning the value of the investment is likely to increase in this time period. So when you look at economics and looking at some major Canadian cities and really many aspects of the Canadian economics, there's a high demand in these major cities in Canada with low supply, with that mass migration that's happening, which is leading to lots of low vacancies. And with this demand comes a higher rental rates, and we're seeing this increase year to year increase. And keep in mind that employment opportunities in these cities is also encouraging a higher population as well, in that growth ultimately affecting many factors when it comes to economics. Another pro is that when you purchase a property that you plan to rent out, you can generate passive income in a form of rental payments. And it's going to help you pay off your mortgage, build additional wealth. Remember, you are running a business, and that comes with tax advantages as well. And lastly, keep in mind, in terms of a pro, many Canadian cities have seen a large, substantial increase in prices when it comes to real estate. So that opportunity to get access to a larger amount of equity has increased. So there's a potential and opportunity for a lot of us to invest in real estate and build a portfolio of our dreams. And that wraps up the pros of investing in Canadian real estate. Now let's talk about the cons. First, real estate investing is like many investments, comes with its own risk, and getting access to fund quickly can be challenging. But keep in mind, investing in real estate requires a significant upfront investment. Whether you are purchasing a property to live in or rent it out, this can be a barrier for some investors who may not have the necessary fund to purchase a property and to make this kind of a big purchase. And specifically, prices are high in Canadian cities, which can be a huge factor in preventing many people from getting into home ownership. And again, when I talk about Canadian cities, economically, geographically, there's a lot of factors that go into determining where you can invest. And I highly recommend you check out those videos on our channel. All in all, difficult to scale and build a portfolio and get closer to financial freedom, at least a little bit faster anyway. And that's why a lot of people are moving to states and abroad. Another big con is the landlord and tenant board rules that are not in favor of the landlord, and many aspects of us that are hindering and causing a lot of expenses in our portfolio due to this factor alone. Again, many investors having to start investing in the States and abroad because of that leniency when it comes to the Tenancy Act. Finally, to wrap it up, investing in real estate can take a lot of time and requires a lot of time and effort. When you find the right property, manage your tenants when you're renting, and keeping in mind your maintenance and repairs, there's a lot of things that the cash flow analysis go into, can help you get closer to that financial freedom and help you grow the portfolio that's going to work for you. So there you have it. There are the pros and cons of investing in Canadian real estate. While there are certainly risks involved in investing in real estate, it can be a great way to build long-term wealth, generate passive income. Just make sure you weigh in the potential benefits and against the potential downside before making that purchase. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like this video. I'll see you next time.